Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of financial success? Get ready to uncover the secret money rules that the wealthy use to grow their fortunes. These 9 game-changing principles will help you revolutionize your financial life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our engaging content. Alright, now that we've ignited our financial spirits, let's dive into the exhilarating realm of the 9 transformative money rules that can lead us to financial triumph. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Picture this, you're the captain of your financial ship, sailing towards the horizon of prosperity. Paying yourself first is like setting the wind in your sails. It involves allocating a portion of your income towards savings and investments before indulging in other expenses. This disciplined approach ensures that you prioritize your financial well-being and sets the stage for steady growth and stability. To apply this rule, determine a specific percentage of your income to save and set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. It's like having a loyal crew of wealth-building allies working behind the scenes while you navigate the waters of life. Rule 2. Build multiple income streams. Just as a master architect crafts a solid foundation, the wealthy build their financial empires with multiple income streams. Diversifying your sources of income minimizes risk and creates a symphony of wealth creation. The rich effortlessly juggle various income streams, including investment income from stocks, bonds, and real estate, business income from entrepreneurial ventures or side hustles, and even royalties or licensing income. To embark on this path, start by identifying your unique skills and passions. Develop a business plan or investment strategy that aligns with your strengths, allowing you to leverage your passions into profitable endeavors. By spreading your financial wings across different income streams, you'll soar towards long-term financial security. Rule 3. Use debt wisely. Debt is a powerful tool, much like a double-edged sword. The key is to wield it wisely and know the difference between good and bad debt. Good debt can be your ally, helping you invest in assets that have the potential for growth or generate income. Bad debt is the villain that haunts your dreams, burdening you with high interest rates and mounting financial stress. The wealthy are masters of debt alchemy. They strategically leverage debt to gain appreciating assets while capitalizing on tax benefits like interest deductions and credits. It's like turning a debt dragon into a majestic financial steed. To manage debt effectively, prioritize repayment and exercise caution when taking on new debt. Focus on eliminating high-interest debt first and avoid accumulating unnecessary liabilities. Your financial fortress will stand strong against the stormy seas of debt. Rule 4. Minimize taxes legally. Taxes. The mighty kraken lurking in the depths of wealth creation. Minimizing taxes legally is the art of preserving your hard-earned treasure from the clutches of the taxman. It's crucial to understand the distinction between tax avoidance, a legal practice, and tax evasion, a big no-no. The rich employ an arsenal of tax minimization strategies to protect their wealth. They use tax advantage accounts like individual retirement accounts or IRAs, 401ks, and health savings accounts or HSAs. They also engage in capital gains tax strategies and partake in charitable giving to reap the benefits of deductions. To navigate the treacherous waters of taxation, consult with a knowledgeable tax professional. Together, you'll uncover the best strategies tailored to your specific circumstances. By harnessing the power of legal tax minimization, you'll keep more of your hard-earned gold in your treasure chest. Rule 5. Continuously invest in yourself. In the realm of financial conquest, self-improvement is the secret elixir that propels you to new heights of success. Investing in yourself is like sharpening your financial sword, ensuring you remain relevant and competitive in the ever-evolving job market. The wealthy understand the importance of personal growth. They embark on quests for knowledge through formal education, Pursue professional certifications, devour books like ravenous bookworms, attend inspiring seminars, and engage in valuable networking. Identify areas for growth and set specific goals for personal development. Allocate time and resources to acquire new skills. Expand your knowledge and grow throughout your career. With each step of personal investment, you'll unlock doors to boundless opportunities. Rule 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future, they say. Your financial success is influenced by the company you keep. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your aspirations and values creates a powerful support system that fuels your financial journey. The rich understand the importance of networking and mentorship. They join professional organizations, attend industry events, and actively take part in mastermind groups and mentorship programs. It's like building an invincible financial Avengers team that conquers obstacles together. To create your own financial dream team, seek industry conferences, workshops, and networking events. Embrace the digital age by joining online forums and social media groups centered on finance and investing. Connect with successful individuals in your field or areas of interest and watch the synergistic energy propel you towards greatness. Rule 7. Think long-term. In the realm of financial conquest, it's crucial to set your sights on the distant shores of long-term planning. A financial voyage without a destination is like sailing without a compass. The rich understand the power of long-term thinking as it unlocks the treasures of compounding interest and investment returns. Craft a comprehensive financial plan that encompasses special goals and timeframes. Consider seeking guidance from a financial planner or advisor who can chart your course and help you navigate the twists and turns of the financial landscape. With a well-crafted plan, you'll sail through the stormy seas of uncertainty with confidence and grace. Rule 8. Maintain a healthy balance between risk and reward. In the unpredictable world of investments, the relationship between risk and reward is akin to a delicate dance. The wealthy have mastered this intricate waltz, understanding that higher potential returns often come hand in hand with higher risks. Balancing risk tolerance with financial goals is the key to a harmonious financial journey. The rich diversify their investment portfolios like skilled artists, spreading their wealth across various asset classes and industries. They regularly review and adjust their portfolios, ensuring they navigate the currents of market volatility with grace. To strike a balance between risk and reward in your financial endeavors, assess your risk tolerance. Diversify your investments, allocating resources across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. By embracing diversification, you'll be better equipped to weather the storms of market fluctuations and sail smoothly towards your financial horizon. Rule 9. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice. Even the most courageous adventurers seek guidance on their quests, and the realm of finance is no different. Seeking professional financial advice can provide invaluable expertise, offering insights into complex financial topics and providing an objective perspective on decision-making. The wealthy assemble teams of trusted financial advisors, creating their own league of financial superheroes. They consult with these advisors regularly, gaining wisdom and making informed decisions that shape their financial destiny. When searching for financial professionals, conduct thorough research and interview potential advisors. Understand their fee structures and the services they provide to ensure they align with your needs and objectives. With the right advisor by your side, you'll have a financial Yoda guiding you toward success. In conclusion, my fellow adventurers in the pursuit of financial glory, these 9 money rules hold the power to transform your financial landscape. Embrace them with zeal, adapt them to your unique circumstances, and let them guide you towards the financial success that the wealthy enjoy. Remember, the path to wealth is not a mere sprint, but an epic odyssey. Stay informed, continuously learn, and adapt to the ever-changing tides of the financial world. Armed with knowledge, perseverance and a touch of humor, you shall conquer your financial destiny and emerge triumphant. May your treasure chest be filled to the brim and your journey be adorned with laughter, joy, and financial success. Now, my friends, set sail and claim your rightful place in the realm of financial abundance. As our grand adventure through the realm of financial wisdom comes to a close, we'd love to hear from you, our esteemed fellow explorers. Which of these 9 money rules resonated with you the most? Was it the power of paying yourself first, the allure of multiple income streams, or perhaps the wisdom of using debt wisely? Let us know in the comments below. But this is not where our journey ends. Join our vibrant community of wealth warriors by subscribing to our channel. Together, we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of financial success, sharing practical tips, engaging in lively discussions, and embarking on exciting quests for prosperity. Hit that subscribe button to become a valued member of our crew. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable on your quest for financial enlightenment. Your support fuels our passion to create more engaging content and helps us spread the message of financial empowerment to adventurers like yourself. Now, my intrepid seekers of fortune, as you sail off into the seas of opportunity, remember that your dreams of wealth and stability are within reach.